Hello everyone! Today, let's create this cute little carrot, the perfect addition to your Easter decor or a sweet handmade gift. For this project, you'll need a medium weight yarn, size 4, size E, crochet hook. We'll start with a magic ring. Simply cross the yarn over your fingers, pull up a loop, and secure it with a slip stitch. Now we are ready for round 1. We're going to work 6 single crochet into the ring. Pull the tail to tighten the center. Now, we will work in a continuous spiral. Work 1 single crochet into each stitch around. Continue this until you have reached a total of 36 stitches. Or just keep stitching until the carrot is exactly as long as you'd like it to be. You have total creative control over the size. Once you reach your desired length, tuck the starting tail ends inside the carrot to hide them. Now, let's switch to our green yarn. Work 6 or 7 single crochets around the top edge. When you finish, remember to leave a long green tail. We'll need that bit of magic for assembly later. To make the leafy top, wrap your green yarn 7 times around 2 fingers. Cut the yarn, leaving a small tail. Take one of those ends and wrap it tightly around the center of your loop several times. Then tie a few firm knots to secure the bundle. Insert your green bundle into the opening at the top of the carrot. Use that long green tail we saved earlier to sew and secure the foliage firmly inside the carrot body. This ensures everything stays in place. To give our carrot a realistic rustic look, we'll embroider small black spots or dashes across the surface. These little details really bring the character to life. I truly hope you enjoy making this project. It's a wonderful way to celebrate the season. You can find the bunny pattern, links to my shops in the description box below. Happy crafting!